Brown, Cristiano.
Driven across, flicked onto the corner and just missing wide, but on. So close.
Now, we'll take a look at how close. I think it's well wide of the upright, but the intention was perfectly delivered. Take a look. It's an absolutely exquisite header here, and it's a great attempt to find the top corner, but I think All Blacks got it covered. Take a look here. Yeah. Look out.
Ronaldo from about 25 and standing right on his line. All Black forced to punch it clear. Back to the top of the 18. James denied. Benzema, the shot rattled wide.
James does very well. This should be a corner kick. It takes a deflection and it hasn't been identified.
Looked like it hit Filipe Luis on the way through.
Certainly did. I believe he has a nice ball in from Isco. Brilliant control by James, and there's the spin and hit. Can't really tell there, but have a look here. I think it catches Filipe Luis on the inside of his calf, but debatable.
Luis. Simeone barking instructions. This
beautiful.
Has to be to his pleasing.
Nicely.
Saul inside. Told to make that Griezmann, and just slapping it up was Navas for
worth
the corner.
Try, and it's again good connected football that Zidane sulks away from. Really pinpoint accurate, lovely ball triggered into Griezmann, and he's already got his mind made up. He sees, or he doesn't see, Gavi running square to it.
Real Madrid's B team.
It's got it!
And he misses the target.
This is a hard angle for him to hit, though, Phil. It's a beautiful ball to fade him, and watch his quick release. His well-oiled trigger. Man, that's so close. Beautiful ball played in from Modric. He knows where the goalposts are. He knows the goalposts ain't moving, and he shaves it. So close. That would have been an absolute magisterial hit. With real precision. Lovely
spin. Griezmann. 3v3 if they hurry.
He'll go solo.
Sliding in Koke.
Nice
passes on the overlap. Filipe Luis. Griezmann! Bullseye!
Wonderful goal! Again, Griezmann gets his arrow out and slingshots it home. No accidental goal again. Nothing capricious about it. This is a French hypodermic needle, and it's filled with goals. Griezmann is involved beautifully. Look at the consideration of these passes put together by Los Colchoneros, and applaud because it's scintillating football. Griezmann sees his targets running right and left. He could have went for the reverse pass to Torres. He goes to Filipe Luis for the give, go and goal. Wonderful again from the attacking fullback. Brazilian Filipe Luis makes the right decision not to hit the target himself, but to pull it back. And there's a wonderful celebration by Antoine.